This is an African-American man, Basil Biggs. Biggs had been born in 1819, and Biggs is a guy who has an incredibly fascinating life. Biggs lived at a time when African Americans really had limited opportunities. He's a man who has a lot of natural intelligence and talent and expands on that throughout his life. He's always looking for new opportunities to help himself and his family and his community. He's a well-known veterinarian in the area. Even though he's illiterate, he's known in the entire area as Doc Biggs. We are at the Peter Fry farm, Basil Biggs' house. The Psychorama painting depicts Pickett's charge, and this house and the barn appear in it. This is while Peter Fry is still living on the property, so the house is smaller, and it does look smaller in the painting. It's only the stone portion of the house in 1863. Biggs would expand the barn in the 1880s, so the barn at the time of the battle was much smaller as well. And the wagon shed and the chicken coop didn't exist at the time. While the Confederate Army was moving into Pennsylvania, his family are all African Americans, so they know even though they're free, that doesn't guarantee their safety here. So Basil will take his wife and his 5 children, take them to safety in Columbia, and then he'll come back to Gettysburg to look after his livestock. After the battle is over, he comes back to his property, his family comes back, it's completely destroyed. He's done very well here, but now he's lost everything. But he does have 3 assets left. He has 2 horses and a wagon. And he'll be one of the subcontractors to get the contract to move bodies to the Soldiers National Cemetery. And since he has a wagon, he can move more bodies than anybody else around here. He can move 9 bodies at a time. April 1865, Peter Fry sells the farm to Basil Biggs, and he'll eventually acquire more property, acquire another 30 acres just up the road. By the 1880s, Basil Biggs owned 78 acres worth of property in this area.